9 tips to get highest marks in the MDCAT test. MDCAT seems monster to every student going through its preparation, and it's a big test conducted by UHS every year. Almost 3,000 students get selected by UHS to become future doctors or a future of Pakistan. It is basically a competitive exam you have to score actually great to ensure a seat in a medical college. How to do an MDCAT preparation is a big question of a student who is heading towards attempting this test. Whether I should join an academy or not, what kind of books should I buy, what kind of strategy should I adopt, from where would I be able to get the right guideline. Am I good enough to score highest marks in the MDCAT test? Am I going to ache it or not? Maybe the students who clear MDCAT test are from some other planet. Every MDCAT student goes through such questions and the list is long. Most of the students get this test on their nervous and then later ruined it for themselves. Different students have a different mindset, and every student needs his own way of learning for this test. But here are a few tips which surely can be helpful for one of the biggest tests of the year. First, read this article carefully and then plan accordingly to achieve the highest marks in the MDCAT test. Table of contents. First is the focus is the key. Second point is stay guided and updated. Third point is the strength and weakness analysis. Fourth is the set a feasible routine and suitable learning technique. Fifth is practice makes a man perfect. Sixth is solve the full length MDCAT test. Seventh is consider English equally important. Eighth is sleep and eat well. Ninth is have faith and don't panic. Apply all these steps to get high marks in the MDCAT test. Thanks for watching.